Apache Flink is an open-source framework for processing large amounts of data in real time. It's designed to handle both batch and stream processing, which means it can process data as it comes in or in large chunks after it's been collected. The main feature of Apache Flink is its ability to process data in real time. This is perfect for situations where immediate insights are needed, like monitoring social media, financial transactions, or website traffic. For example, a company could use Flink to analyze sales data as it's being generated and make immediate decisions about stock or promotions. Flink works by breaking down tasks into smaller pieces, allowing it to handle massive amounts of data quickly and efficiently. It also supports high availability, which means it can keep running smoothly even if a failure occurs in part of the system. One of the key benefits of Flink is that it's highly scalable. Whether you're dealing with a small data set or a huge one, Flink can adjust to handle it without losing performance. This makes it a great option for companies of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Another important feature is its ease of use. Flink has a rich set of APIs that make it easy to integrate with other systems, like databases or data lakes. You can even use it with popular tools like Apache Kafka, which is another big player in the world of real-time data processing. So whether you need to process large streams of data in real time or analyze historical data, Apache Flink is a powerful tool to get the job done. Comment for topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to keep learning.